Chin up, shoulder width grip, arching, isometric hold. If you're an adult gymnastic skill seeker looking to strengthen your chin ups, try isometrics. Isometric holds are great for beginners and advanced gymnastic skill seekers. In this arching chin up variation, we bend our knees and pull the heels of our feet towards our butt to shorten the lever length and increase the activation of the muscles in the back. For beginners, the arch position can feel hard because you've not engaged your back muscles like this before. But over time, I promise this variation will increase your chin up numbers. Start by standing on an elevated surface that brings your chest close to the bar. As you set up for this exercise, try not to jump up to the bar. It's best to pull yourself up with minimal jump, as this places more tension in the back and bicep muscles. Grip the bar with a shoulder width supinated grip, palms facing up. Take 1 foot off the elevated surface and center yourself between your hands. Then, pull yourself up as high as possible as you bend your knees and contract your glutes to set the arched body shape. Focus on lifting your chest towards the bar as you pull your elbows back and down. Pinch your shoulder blades together behind your back and feel the tension in your back and bicep muscles. Do not allow the shoulders to shrug up or protract forward during this exercise. The aim is to hold the topmost position of the chin up for the prescribed time before slowly lowering down to the bottom of the chin up and letting go of the bar. If you're a beginner, I'd suggest gradually working up to a 30-second isometric hold. More advanced gymnastic skill seekers can hold for longer or experiment with adding additional load to this movement. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.